back. As you can see here, I ran this pipe along the wall right here, ran some plugs, ran another pipe to another set of plugs. So that just made me feel really accomplished, just doing something easy, just doing something nice and simple. So that was fun, took up some time right there. And then I also ran this ground bar right here. I probably should have cut the tail off a little bit right there, but anyways, ran that straight up the ceiling and then out the top, put on all the 2-inch bushings on all of these that were already done. And I feel like I did something else in this room. Yeah, that's right, I hung the light in here. So that was part of this room. I think that wraps it up in this room. And then I also went over to this other room over here and hung the light in this room as well. I'm not sure what these things are for. These look like for feeders or something, but looks pretty cool. Just coming up the wall, all that good stuff. So I hung this light right there. So that was fun. Those lights are just the biggest pain. I mean, if you get them just right, you can do it, but they're always a nasty mess to deal with to try to get them stuck on the wall, because you have to twist them just right to get them stuck on the ceiling. And so the ground wire that came out of the top of that room right here comes up to this beam right here. So I drilled a hole through there, screwed it on with a nut, or 1/4-20 and a nut, and then screwed the wire in there. So that was another thing I did. And then I went over here and ran a fire pipe for the fire guys, I guess. Whoever's in the fire alarm, we're basically piping it and then running the wire. So ran this pipe down the side of this column right here, and then right into this box. I actually did a 90, but then I remembered these corners are too tight, so I had to redo the 90 and then do the pull-in L, or well, 90-degree LB thing, whatever you want to call it, into a firebox. So this is going to be for like a strobe or whatever, a fire strobe, or just I don't even know what they're called anymore. I can't think right now. But anyways, back on 10 hours a day, and basically doing another 48 or 50 hours this week. I think they're just trying to get this job site done or whatnot. So videos will be up later again, but I'm not doing anything today. And I'm not sure about tomorrow, but I'm doing stuff on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So hopefully I can get videos up for you guys. And I did do one other thing today. I'll go show you that. So if you guys remember my firebox right there, here's my little belt. I'm starting to hang 3 can lights. I'm about to get rained on. So there's 3 can lights that are going in here. This is the first one, and this wire was coming out of the wall over here. So I just ran that over the top and then through the holes in the studs. So I mounted this one, which took longer than it probably should have, but anyways, I'm ready for the next 2, and they'll be going 7 foot 10 and a half apart. So one there and then one at the very end, 5 feet in on each side, and then 7 foot 10 and a half apart. So I have 2 more to go, and then I just have to run a wire out of this one. So basically that's coming from inside the building, and then I'm just jumping a wire, the next light, and then a wire from the next light. So they'll all go on at the same time, and that's what I'll be working on in the morning. And I lucked out, I didn't have to work inside with the elevator this morning, so that was fun. The guys were already here, and then we had a safety meeting, so basically I wouldn't have got anything done anyways. So anyways, that about wraps up my day. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up my day. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the support recently. Thanks for all the likes on the last video. If you guys could drop some more likes on this video, I would highly appreciate it. It would help me out. Thanks for all the support, all the new subscribers. Thanks for coming back. And hope you guys had a great weekend. Mine was just like one of the best ever. Just best last 9 days of my life. And anyways, took some more friends for rides. And probably going to be getting a ticket in the mail because I drove through one of those speed radar things and was going a little bit over speed limit and it flashed, so I'm assuming I will be getting a ticket in the mail, but Lord willing I won't. But anyways, that is what it is. But hope you guys had a great weekend, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. If you want to stop by, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe, and then you will be notified when I upload videos or whatnot. See it in your live feed and stuff. And if you hit the notification bell, you can check out my live streams when I do that, and my videos when I upload, which is pretty much Monday through Friday, and then also sometimes on Saturday, Sunday. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much. I will see you back here tomorrow. Peace out. God bless. Alright, guys, I look like Jimmy Neutron over here, but anyways, or Loki. Anyways, so I did some karaoke for my friend's birthday at night on Saturday, and then took some friends for rides on Saturday. Actually 3 people, which is, last one is when I was getting the ticket, or assuming I'm getting the ticket. So I'll throw those clips in at, I'll throw 2 of those clips in. The one was in the dark, so you can't really see anything, but I'll throw 2 clips in the end, and I will be making those videos in a very long time because it takes me forever to sit down and bust out a video for like 5 hours. But anyways, they're super funny, and I can't wait to edit them one day. And I was gonna say something else that I did on the weekend. Oh, I went to a concert, which was amazing. Basically just hanging out with my friends like all weekend, like from morning till night, which was awesome. And yep, that was just what I did. And drop me a comment if you guys did anything awesome on your weekend. I'd love to hear about it. Or if you got any questions, go ahead and hit me up in the comments below. Love to hear from you guys. Love to get to know you guys. And I will try to see if anyone won the giveaway today, but if not, it will probably be going to the 3rd person, and hopefully I can get a hold of them again. If not, we'll just keep this going and waiting, so I could do this all day. So anyways, see you guys later. Love you. See you tomorrow. Peace.
What the heck? Oh my gosh! You know what? Oh, this is... Jeez. Oh, this is a Smiles machine. This isn't a car. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.